Alright guys, I'm back. We're gonna do some renos on a 2019 Outlander 850. We're gonna put a new tow cable, winch cable for the front end. We got this off Amazon for 40 bucks Canadian, and stuff. Comes with a bump stop and a red little thingy jiggy here and stuff, and a new hook. This one that came off Amazon for 40 bucks, it has a little piece of metal eyelet there that takes a screw. In our situation, the Warren winch doesn't take that, so we're gonna cut it off and just tie it together like a loop, and it'll be good enough, good enough for Canada kind of thing. The old one we already pulled out. It's very much cacats, all dirty and all bent to you know where. So we did that, we removed that, already pulled that out. I removed the fair lead off the winch itself. I used a 14 mil wrench and 8mm thingy jiggy. So I used that with my Makita Impact. Inside, if you could see the wire inside, it was looped in there. Warren loops the cable and just ties it up like that. So there's no bolts holding it down or like tied together kind of thing. It's just friction holding this line in to that drum. So I'm gonna push it out. The only thing I used to get that all loose like that, a flathead screwdriver and a pick. I used, and I just pulled and it popped that right out. So now we're just gonna fish that line out of the drum, get our new cable, cut the end off, fish it through, loop it around, and just put it back together and stuff. It's a easy little 15-minute fix, and plus the wire is all heavy versus the synthetic rope there, so it's much better, more pliable and stuff, less weight, and just easier to work with when you're winching yourself out. All right, guys, let me do this. Done. That's all funny. Okay, let's go get the new cable. So new cable. Put that out of the way. This like that. All right, let's stop. So you got the cable laid out on the floor. Just kick it like that. Good enough. So you got the end. So you got this thingy jiggy. So I'm gonna cut this off, but first I'm gonna put in the stopper. Do this now, or you're totally screwed and stuff when you're trying to, because on the other end you can't put it back on. So it's better just do it like this for now. Leave it like that. Now we're just gonna cut this end and stuff. Ready? Let's see if it even works. If it fits in there. Oh. Nope, it doesn't fit in there. So we have to cut it. Take a knife. Cut the end, so you're left with this. That's garbage. So now your end's like this. Burn it. Burn the end so it stays together. That's much better, easier to work with. So now fishing time. Fish this into the hole. Damn word. Wiggle, wiggle. Use the pick. I have to move the drum a little bit. Okay. Guys, this is my contraption over here. of fishing this line into the drum. Put some clear tape over a piece of wire that I wrapped around the line to compress it, and it's strong, so we're gonna shove it in the hole, and then we're gonna try to attempt to make it work. All right, guys, we tried the fishing method of trying to fish the line, piece of wire, tape it, shove it in there. It's not working. So plan B, we got the drill for extra long bit used for electrical wiring and building a house. So I'm using that, and I'm drilling the drum. So it's actually working very well because the drum's aluminum. There we go. Straight right through. New hole. Doing that. Bit that I use is a 3/8 bit from Irwin. That's the bit that I use to drill that drum. And now we could fish the line again. Okay, wait. We have to start the bike. Drum again. Other way. Okay. Try stupid line. It's not working. Here, so I'm putting some Vaseline on the line itself. I was thinking of using grease, but grease is too expensive. Vaseline's cheaper and stuff. So I'm just gonna fish it in the line. That. Oh, great success. It went through. It actually went through. Okay. God damn this drum. Disconnect this thing. Fish that line. Okay. Look at that. All right. There's the end of the line right here. Now we're just gonna do a double knot. We tied it up. I did a double knot down there on the drum. Now it's solid. It's very nice, very nice. It works very nice and stuff. Don't mind the knot. Yes, it's ugly, but whatever, it works and stuff. Well, we did a rookie mistake. We forgot to put the ferry lead back on and shit. So we can't fish it back through. So we're gonna just take this little pin thingy jiggy out and fish our line right through the. Make sure you guys install your ferry lead first before you do the line to the drum. I did, of course. So I had to remove the 2 bolts here and take 2 rollers out of here and stuff, and then fish my line straight through again and stuff. But it works now and stuff. So now I'm just gonna put this there. I'm gonna put our 2 bolts in place. 50. Okay, we got one. Okay, that's it. That's that. Now, all we have to do is pull the line in, put it back on the drum. Wait. No. There we go. Good. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys. There you have it. So easy rope install on the Can-Am. Old wire we threw out. Everything else is new. And that's it. You guys can do it at home. Same thing. Just make sure you drill out the drum and you'll be good on the winch and it'll work. Oh yeah, that's not going to work. That's it. The link's gonna be in the description for where we got it off Amazon. It's up. It was 40 bucks Canadian. So for you guys in America, it's gonna be like, again, 20 US Trump dollars for the thing. So it's gonna be cheap. All right, guys. Have a good one. Please like, subscribe, comment on our videos. See you guys next time.